Yes guys, how you doing? So it's bike time. So see this bike here, little mountain bike. So I'm just gonna power it up and I'm gonna put a 1000 watt rear hub motor and electrify it. So yeah, let's go. I've never done this before, but hey, first time for everything here. You live and learn. So cool, let's go. So yeah, the kit you get in here is like you got this little pouch, and obviously you've got there ain't a lot to it actually. There's just like this little throttle, controller, and brakes and everything. Got a cheap steel frame bike out of August. So this was my old bike, but it's a bit rusty and weak. So little cheap one, steel frame, and attempt to get this off and replace it with that. And this is the 1000 watt kit, by the way. So yeah, here we go. Let's get a few tools, and yeah. So up to here, I've managed to get this on. There's only one little snag in this little cassette area. Mine come with 6-speed cassette, and this came with 7. So the chain and the gears basically wasn't sitting right. So what I've done there is that I took off the one that came with this wheel. So and basically I put my original one back on. So yeah, so now that it's spinning freely. So yeah, great. So yeah, so getting this crank arm off of here wasn't easy, and then obviously I've realised that this has actually got to go on here, like so. This is the pedal assist sensor, so I have to get something to put it on with, so because it's not going to hold on there. So I just got some sticky back sort of foam and stuck it on. So yeah, and this thing here is what spins round. So when you pedal, it's like the pedal assist. So yeah, but getting this off of here was not easy, but it's done now, so it's on. And yeah, so I put a tool arm on here as well. So I've managed to get this display on here, and the brakes, what I had to do is I put on their brakes that came with the kit, because it's got a cutout thing. So when you pull the brake lever, it was supposed to cut the motor. So yes, I've put this on here, and yeah, this was difficult, you know, when you've never done anything like this before. So yeah, so what I was trying to do is to make this sort of like not look like an e-bike from down the road. So what I've done is I've put the controller in here. So this is like a little pannier rack, so I got from Amazon. So and yes, I put that in there. So once I zip it all up, we hide the wires away, so it's all good. So yeah, the battery I bought was this triangle battery here. So somebody recommended that it's actually a good one. I think what I will do is probably change that to a square one. Same power I've seen online. I wish I'd have seen them before I ordered it, so I'll just have to sell this one. So but for now it's on. I've actually took some of the stickers off of the bike and put them on there, so as it looks like it's part of the bike, but it's a bit obvious that it's an e-bike. But yeah, so there you go. So for now, this will have to do. Cables, I need to tidy all these things up, but they're on for now anyway, as good as I can. Okay, so now it's time to power it all up. I'll turn the battery on and let's see what happens. Press this. Yep, it's all coming on nicely. So got the nice display, and yeah, I suppose it's time to take it out and give it a spin. So I probably will end up buying a bag for this. So alright, so it's time to take this for a little ride out. It's getting a bit dark, but hey, nice sunset. Oh, cool. Let's get a bit of pedal assist on. I've changed the speed settings from kilometers to miles per hour, so all speeds you see on here are in miles per hour. This is just pedaling, look, 17, 20 miles an hour. Right. Literally. It's got like the pedal assist thing on it. So yeah. Like, I haven't even pulled this throttle back yet, so let me just see what's clocking on down here. Anyway, I need to get off the pavement, I know that, so I mean, this thing's just gonna take off. Boy, I've got the power, the pedal power up to number 5, so I'll touch it and it's just gonna zoom off, so yeah. Alright, so time to get on the road. I know these people think, ah, damn cyclists, until damn cyclist zooms off down the road. Yes. Now I'm not even pedaling. Jeez. Whoa. This is some experience. And we got the side road. Whoa. Alrighty. Yes. Wow. Jesus Christ. About 20 miles an hour do me fine. Thank you very much indeed. So, alright, so now it's kind of like get this thing uphill. Jeez. Speed bumps. Yes. Don't go all the way up. Should we do this? Yes. Look at this. Speed bumps that slow down. So this is where you definitely need the 1000 watt motor, because I just went up from nothing on a hill and this thing just pulled me straight up to 10 miles an hour effortlessly. So yeah. 25 miles an hour. Alright, that's fast, too fast for me. So yeah, arriving back home. It was a good little ride out, and all in all, amazing. So good experience, and yeah, there's the build.